everybody, welcome to science class. Our topic for this week is hygiene. As you know, outside everywhere there is a lot of viruses, and the biggest virus nowadays is coronavirus. So to save ourselves from the viruses, to protect ourselves from the viruses, we have to take the good ways of hygiene. Every morning when we wake up, we have to take shower to protect ourselves from different kind of viruses. Then what you have to do every time, you have to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning or at night before bed. Wash your hands every time you eat, before eating and after eating. And when you are sneezing or you want to clean something, you have to use tissue. Wipe your hands with a towel or with a tissue. And you have to wash your hands with soap. And to make yourself look pretty, you have to comb your hair like this and put some lotion to smell good. And after all this, if you want to protect yourself more from the viruses, use the hand sanitizer. So, dear students, I have a small video from our schoolers about hygiene steps. Please follow the steps.
Good morning, children. As you all know that your teacher is already teaching you about hygiene. Let me tell you some more things about hygiene. Do you see this hand? Looks colorful, right? But don't go on the color. Look, all these things that are written here are the names of big diseases which you can get if your hands are dirty. Let me tell you the names. See, Shigella. If you don't wash your hands, you can get diarrhea. You can get E. coli infection if you don't wash your hands after using the toilet. Streptococci, it can give you sore throat. Pseudomonas, if you get a cut, it will be infected. Also, you can get hepatitis A, that is jaundice, and diarrhea if you do not wash your hands properly. See, in between, there is space in between our fingers. So, you have to be very careful and wash all these spaces. There are 5 steps which you can remember when you wash your hands. You have to wet, use soap, you wash it properly, the up, down, wrist, in between, and then you rinse it with water, dry it, and later on you can add some sanitizer to it. So, isn't it easy to understand that you have to wash your hands to stay clear of all infections? Thank you for listening, and I hope you understand whatever the teacher teaches you. Bye-bye.
Students, let's make our hygiene craft. For the hygiene craft, you will need 2 hands, some viruses like this. I took my crepe paper and I cut them like this. Then you will need to fold it like this, cut it with the scissors, and you will get it like this one. Cut it with the scissors, fold it from down, and this is the virus. Okay, I made here some viruses. Then I have a scissors. You will need scissors, you will need eyes. You can use the liquid glue or you can use the glue stick. This is the liquid glue if you want to use, and this is the glue stick. You will need it. Okay, so let's start making our craft for virus. Put the glue on the hand and stick it to the paper. Like this. Take the other hand, put the glue, and stick it to the paper. Then take the virus. This is the virus, okay? Stick the glue, put the glue and stick the eyes. Like this, put the glue from the back and stick it to the hand. This is the virus. And take the right one, take the eyes, put the glue and stick it to the virus like this, and then stick it to the hand like this. Take the blue one to make it more colorful. Put the glue and stick it. Okay, like this. If you are not washing your hands, all the germs will be on your hands like these viruses. But if you washed your hands will be clean like this one. So every time you need to wash your hands, sanitize your hands and wipe your hands. Thank you. Bye-bye.